1, 2, 3. Hi, I'm Tyler Grant here at JamPlay.com. Wanted to tell you about a live lesson series coming up where we will be exploring public domain songs and tunes. Now, these are a series of standard flat-picking songs and tunes that every musician should know. We'll be learning public domain standards such as Jesse James, Down Yonder, Old Lang Syne, Turkey in the Straw, Yellow Rose of Texas, Camptown Races, and Worried Man Blues. Are you interested in flat-picking guitar but you just don't know much repertoire? Well, this series will help you get a bunch of tunes under your belt, but it will also give you clues as to how to figure out melodies on your own and learn any popular standard that you want. I'll be walking you through a practical step-by-step method to learning these tunes. We're going to start by just learning the simple melody, and then I'll teach you the rhythm, the chord strums that go along with it. And from there, we will expand to some more intermediate and advanced techniques such as melody strum arrangement, cross-picking, and other types of arrangements for solo guitar. And then we'll get into some lead guitar breaks and discuss how you would jam on these tunes. These 1-hour live lessons are free to the public. However, JamPlay members can download the rhythm tracks and the music notation and tablature to work on at home. I look forward to working with you on these standard songs and tunes. See you in the coming weeks.